Oh, hey guys, we're in the house and we are looking around in this awesomeness, and oh, look, it's Blizzard! Just like in Super Mario Logan and Chili videos. Look, Chili used to have a dog named Blizzard. Guys, my Tamagotchi is turning to oldies. They just waiting for in 5 days or so, or maybe 6 days, or a week, maybe. So, and yeah, I'm gonna clean some of them up. And look, you can also see this. And there's a backyard, but we're not allowed to go in there because I think something scary is going to be happening. Blizzard's not scary. But where did she go? I'm just keep looking for her. Oh, there she is. Here's Blizzard.
Oh, that was good. And then
Oh, look, it's Blizzard. Hey, Blizzard.
I'm not gonna listen to that.
I know you're from,
Oh, you're so pretty.
His name's Blizzard. This is Blizzard, Savannah.
Yeah, it's Blizzard.
Yeah. Chili used to have a dog named Blizzard. One of these memories I had right now in so many years. Anyway, just need to make sure that things fit on properly, so I need to make sure that I need to get my strength. Alright, bye Blizzard! Thanks for watching. Guys, goodbye.